As men get older, testosterone becomes a precious resource. After around age 30, testosterone levels start to fall, albeit very slowly. This decline eventually culminates in symptoms associated with low T, including loss of strength, fatigue, weight gain, depression, sexual dysfunction, and more. One of the ways to preserve testosterone levels naturally is by controlling the influence of estrogen on male physiology. For example, there are many foods that contain enzymes known as phytoestrogens. These plant hormones mimic the effects of estrogen and can have an inhibitive effect on testosterone production. There are also foods that help sustain testosterone levels. Elevated estrogen levels have long been associated with adverse health outcomes for men, not only contributing to symptoms of testosterone deficiency, but also negatively impacting bone health, prostate function, and cardiovascular health. The goal of this video is to help you identify foods that support healthy testosterone levels by controlling the effects of estrogen. As with any significant changes in your diet and lifestyle routine, you should talk to your doctor about your decisions and follow their advice. Cruciferous vegetables are highly effective at helping your body control estrogen production. This is because they contain phytonutrients which can block the body's process of converting testosterone into estrogen. There are a wide variety of delicious vegetables that fit this category. If you're interested in hearty root vegetables, rutabagas and turnips are a good choice. Many salad greens belong to this class of veggies as well, including collards, kale, bok choy, and cabbage. Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli are all great choices which taste great cooked or raw. Mushrooms and other fungi have some interesting characteristics because they are neither plant nor animal. Many of the most popular edible mushrooms can inhibit the release of aromatase, the enzyme which processes precursor androgen into estrogen. By including healthy portions of mushrooms to your weekly diet routine, you can help preserve a healthy testosterone balance. If you are interested in the estrogen blocking characteristics of mushrooms, we encourage you to add button, cremini, portobello, or shiitake mushrooms to your diet. As you can see so far, there are a number of nutrients that influence estrogen production. Red grapes have 2 phytonutrients which have a suppressive impact on estrogen production: proanthocyanidin and resveratrol. Resveratrol is not present in green grapes because the chemical is present as a result of the color of the grape skin. Over the last generation, flaxseed has found increasing appeal as a health food. Both sesame seeds and flaxseed contain high levels of critical organic compounds known as polyphenols, which help control the concentration of estrogen in the blood. It's important to do your research, however, because flaxseed has properties which both increase and decrease estrogen influence, because in addition to polyphenols, they also contain phytoestrogens. Depending on your unique physiological characteristics, flaxseed may affect your serum estrogen levels differently. The human digestive system has been designed by evolution to process real whole food. In the modern era, new technological processes have allowed us to produce highly refined versions of products that we used to eat whole, including fruit juices, refined sugar, white bread, and white pasta. Unfortunately, these highly processed foods tend to be hard on the digestive system because they transform the food down to its barest calories, stripping it of its essential nutrients. Whole wheat bread and other unprocessed grains retain nutrient value and still contain all of their aspects, such as germ, bran, and endosperm. As with flaxseed, you should take steps to understand your body, because whole grains do contain a combination of phytoestrogens and polyphenols. On the other hand, due to the way that our digestive system works, whole wheat products fill you up faster, contribute to optimal insulin sensitivity, and help ward off weight gain, which does have a strong negative influence on testosterone levels, because adipose fat tissue converts testosterone into estrogen. Among beverages, there are few drinks that you can consume which have such profound positive benefits as green tea. Green tea leaves are packed with phytonutrients, including polyphenols. Decades of study have shown that green tea provides immense benefits, including a stronger, healthier heart. In spite of the high levels of other nutrients, green tea also has very low caffeine content, making it safe to drink morning, noon, or night. Pomegranates are a relatively recent addition to the American diet. Long regarded as a rare tropical fruit in the States, pomegranates are increasingly easy to find in supermarkets nationwide, especially in their juiced form. Pomegranates contain exceptionally high levels of antioxidants, which preserve cellular function and overall health, and they are also an abundant source of phytochemicals associated with estrogen inhibition. If you are looking for something fresh and new to add to your diet, which provides immense benefits, pomegranates are the way to go. Soy products are finding their way into the American diet at increasing levels. Unfortunately, soy has some characteristics which cause it to be highly estrogenic. If you are interested in controlling your estrogen levels and bolstering your testosterone balance, you should significantly limit the use of tofu, soy milk, or soybeans in your diet. As we touched on earlier, simple carbohydrates can have a devastating impact on not only your hormone balance, but on your overall health. Your body processes simple carbohydrates almost immediately, which places a major strain on your system, causing insulin levels to spike. This contributes to diabetes and also causes you to pack on the pounds, which leads to an increase in estrogen levels. Most doctors agree that the way to optimal health is through a low-carb diet. Carbohydrates are necessary, but should be limited to leave more room for lean protein and healthy fats in your diet. Carbohydrates should come from complex carbs, which are high in fiber and other highly beneficial nutrients. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. To learn more about health and wellness regarding hormone replacement therapy, please click the link below in the description.